Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss shave your face and eyebrows without irritating your skin. It is totally up to you whether or not to shave your facial hair. What is most important is how you shave. For example, if you have active acne, wounds, or rashes on your face, you should avoid shaving since it might cause more discomfort and infection. Keep in mind that the skin on your face is delicate, which means shaving has a greater potential of creating discomfort. Following the step. Step 1. Before shaving, wash your face. Step 2. Exfoliate to get rid of dead skin. Step 3. Skin should be hydrated. Step 4. Apply shaving cream. Step 5. Make use of a sharp razor. Step 6. Shave with long, even strokes. Step 7. After shaving, moisturize. Step 8. Consider using face hair shaving equipment. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.